Welcome back to the channel. Now, we've got three quadratics that we're going to look to factorize, but with all of them, you can see they've got a negative x squared, right? So the coefficient this time is -1. And so how do you go about factorizing something like this? Let's take a look at the first one. So the thing that makes this difficult is that minus in front of the x squared. So what we should do is actually factorize the minus out completely. So let's do this. We'll put a minus on the outside and we'll open up a little bracket. If I'm taking that -1 out, I can write just x squared plus x and -2. Because I've taken out a minus from every single term there. And now you can see inside here, we've got just an ordinary quadratic that we can just go and factorize. So let's go do that. So we need to find two numbers. It's going to multiply to give me -2. So I'll write that out here, two numbers. That multiplies to give you -2. But the same two numbers must add together to give you the coefficient of this, which is just 1 this time. And so we've got to think of that sort of combination of numbers. So it's going to be 2 and 1. So we're going to go with 2 there and -1, 2 and -1. I think that's our combination there. And so what do we do with that? So remember, we have to go and rewrite our quadratic now. So let me put the minus in there, open this up, and I'm going to write x squared. But now instead of writing just plus x, I'm going to write plus 2x, then take away x, and then -2, and close off my bracket. And then let's go ahead and factorize out from these first two terms. So we'll have a minus, open that up, and we'll take out an x from there. So we'll have x plus 2. And then go and factorize out from here. So I think we can take out a -1, and then we'll have x plus 2, like that over there. And so we can see in there, those two brackets are the same, which is great news. So we'll have minus, open that up, x plus 2, and then what's left over there, x minus 1. There we go. And now we can just multiply through by that minus. So we've got minus, and then x plus 2, and x minus 1. And there it is, done, factorized. We'll do the same with the second one. So take a minus out first. What are we left with? For x squared minus 16x, and then plus 28. So again, now this is looking really nice, and we can go and actually factorize that. So start thinking of two numbers. So there we go, two numbers that's going to multiply to give us 28 this time. But at the same time, they've got to add together to give you -16. So I think it's going to be like 14 and 2, so maybe -14 and -2. So -14, -2. That seems pretty good. So we'll go with that. And we'll start rewriting our quadratic now. So we'll have x squared minus 14x minus 2x and plus 28. So rewritten that. And let's go ahead and do some factorizing. So we'll factorize out from the first two terms here. So we've got minus, open that up, take out an x, so x minus 14. And then from here, what can we take out? I think we should take out maybe -2. So we'll go -2 on the outside, and then x minus 14. That's all good because these two brackets match up, so that's wonderful. And then we'll have x minus 14 and x minus 2. Done. Times through by that negative, so we'll have x minus 14 and x minus 2. There we go, and that's fully factorized too. One more to go. Let's get that one done. So take out the minus to begin with. So take out the minus there. And this time x squared plus 15x. And oh, plus again, so plus 56. That's great. This is nice. Start thinking of those two numbers at times to 56. So and they also got to add to 15. So 7 and 8, 7 eighths, 56, and 7 plus 8 is 15. Go and rewrite the quadratic. So we've got x squared plus 7x plus 8x, and then plus 56. Then we'll start factorizing in here. So minus, take the x out from this bit, so x and then x plus 7. And then from here, we can take out a positive 8. So we'll have x plus 7. There we go. And those two brackets, they match up perfectly again. So we can have minus and then x plus 7. And what's left over? X plus 8. There we go. Ooh, there you go. And last bit times through by the minus, and then we're there. So it's minus, and then x plus 7. and then x plus 8. And there it is. So all three factorized there. And yeah, hopefully that's nice and simple. Hopefully you understand it. And I'll catch you again to do some more factorizing, this time where we've got maybe like 2x squared or 3x squared, and we'll see how we factorize those.